Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this simple, tasty eggless tiramisu. For this recipe you will need whipped cream, mascarpone, ladyfingers, icing sugar, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, espresso powder, whiskey which is optional. Without wasting any time, let's get to it. Into your mixing bowl, add your whipped cream followed by the icing sugar. Whisk the mixture. Add your mascarpone. Add vanilla extract, followed by the whiskey, which is optional in this recipe. Mix it all in. Ladyfingers into the coffee. Ensure that they are not soaked and place them into the tray. Now put the mixture on top of the ladyfingers and spread it all over. Next, cover your mixture with your cocoa powder. Now repeat the same process as before by placing the ladyfingers on top of the cream mixture. Add your cream again and spread it. Now adding the last layer, still dipping the ladyfingers into the coffee. Please ensure that you're not soaking them, as this will give you a result of soggy tiramisu. Also, gently press them in. And now we are done. Added the final layer of the mixture and spreading it. Now add your cocoa powder and then refrigerate your tiramisu for not less than 8 hours. Now let's slice this up. And there we have it. Perfect dessert. So yummy, so moist, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also leave your comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you never miss any new uploads. Till next time, goodbye.